Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to take a look at elimination, which is another way of solving a system of equations. Okay. In the last lesson, we looked at solving a system of equations by graphing, but the problem is with graphing, remember we're looking for an intersection point. What if, let's put in, let's say we have the graphs that intersect over there, okay? Problem with this is it's a little over 3 and it's like just under, let's zoom in a little bit. No, that's the wrong way. There we go. And just under 4, okay? So from this graph, we can't tell the exact intersection point, okay? So when you have an exact intersection point, like if the graphs were going to intersect at exactly 3, 4, then solving by graphing is going to work fine. If the intersection point isn't so clear, then we're going to want to use what we're going to learn today, which is called elimination. Okay, here's how elimination works. So the whole idea behind elimination is that we can create pairs of variables that eliminate by having them add to 0. Okay? So some examples of pairs that would eliminate would be 10x and negative 10x, because 10x plus negative 10x makes 0. All right? Another pair, y and negative y, because y plus negative y makes 0. Another pair, negative 12x and positive 12x. All right, again, negative 12x plus 12x makes 0. Okay, let's take a look at an example. Okay, so we want to solve this by using elimination. First thing you want to do is look for a pair that eliminates. Well, 2x and 3x, no, 2x plus 3x, sorry, 2x plus x makes 3x. That doesn't eliminate. But this pair over here, negative 3y plus 3y, that makes 0, okay? So by adding these equations, we're going to make 0, all right? So I'm just going to cross these out because this plus this makes 0. I added over here, that means I have to add everywhere else. 2x plus x makes 3x equals 12 plus negative 3, 9. Let's solve for x, divide side by 3. That means x is 3, all right? So great, we have x, but our job's not done, okay? When we're solving a system, we're finding x and y. So what we're gonna do with this 3 is we're gonna pick one of the equations, doesn't matter which one. We're going to substitute this in and then solve for the other variable, which is y. So I'm going to go with the top equation. Doesn't matter which one you use. You could have used the bottom one. 2x minus 3y equals 12. So we know x is 3. All right, so I'm going to go 2 times 3. 3y equals 12. Okay, so that gives you y is negative 2. All right, and that's our solution. X is 3, y is negative 2. All right, let's take a look at another one. Okay, so you should notice here the pair that eliminates is x and negative x, because that makes the 0. So we're going to cross those out. All right, negative y plus 9y, 8y. Let's zoom out. There we go. Equals 16. Which means y is 2. All right. So of course, now we need to get x. So we're going to pick one of the equations. I'm going to go to the top one. You know, x minus y equals 7. So we're going to stick that in over here. So x minus 2 equals equals 7, which of course when we add 2 to both sides means x is 9. Okay, so x is 9 and y is 2. All right. Let's take a look at the next one. Elimination by multiplication and addition. Let's see what's different here. Okay, so as we did before, we're going to look for a pair that eliminates. Does 4x and 2x eliminate? No, those make 6x. 2y and negative y? No, those add to y. So we have a problem here. Well, so what we're going to do to take care of this is, let's say I want to eliminate the x. I've got a 4x up here. I need a negative 4x down here. Well, I've only got a 2x. The way I can take care of that is from the 2, we want to make a negative 4, so I'm going to multiply it by negative 2. Okay, this is our elimination by multiplication. And we're also going to use the addition that we used above. Okay, so we can't just multiply this term by negative 2. We're going to have to multiply the entire bottom by negative 2. All right, so let's rewrite our system. The top part didn't change. The new bottom equation we multiplied by negative 2. Okay. Yeah, it should be positive 2y. Okay. It was negative 2. So we have 4y equals 6. Divide everything by 4. So y is 1.5. Okay, decimals are going to be all right here. So let's go to the top. We found y. Now let's get x. 4x plus 2, 1.5 equals 8. So that's going to be 4x plus 3 equals 8. Okay, so that's going to be x is 1.25. Okay, let's try another one. So, negative 3x and 2x don't eliminate. 6y and 2y don't eliminate, all right? So, what we can do up here, working with the negative 3 and the 2 is going to be difficult because there's nothing I can from the negative 3, I want a positive 3 down here. There's no whole number I can multiply 2 by to give me 3. But I've got a 6y over here. I want a negative 6y over here. That means multiplying by negative 3 will accomplish that. Okay, again, it's going to be the whole bottom. We can't just do this term. Let's rewrite. So that's negative 6x minus 6y equals 6. So we've got negative 9x equals 0. So x is 0. I'm going to substitute into the bottom equation. Okay, it's just going to be 0, of course. 2y equals negative 2. Y equals negative 1. Okay. Let's go to the back.